main duties are like ground maintenance, driving tractors, cutting grass, strimming, hedge cutting, just general garden duties. I thought that the apprentice route would help us in the future, because I didn't really know what to do when I left school. I was a bit nervous at first, got a bit shy of my confidence, but I thought it would help us in the future career. Alan takes on certain young people that have seriously learning disabilities, and they come in for bit work experience and all that, and we'll take them on, we'll show them how it's done and that, and take them under our wing sort of thing, look after them. I feel like my confidence has boosted really a lot since before starting. Yeah, my confidence has really shot up thanks to Alan and Nature's Landscapes. I think it's good experience. You get a lot of support, and like I say, it's good for future careers and everything, and I really recommend it to anybody if they ever get the chance.
My reason I think Dale should be nominated from, obviously we've had him for about 2 years working for us at Nature's Landscape, but when he first came he was very shy and very quiet, and he held back a lot, but he went to the college and he didn't really want to go to the college, but anyway he attended and we got him into college, and he just blossomed from there, and his confidence grew and grew. And now he's like my main man. I think it's a great, the apprenticeship scheme and programme is fantastic. It's great for young people to get this to happen, It should happen more and more, really,
Since I've been on board, we've done many weddings and dinner parties. I've been in charge of some of them, where the chef was behind me just watching what I was doing. Doing the apprenticeship with a small company has given me a lot of things, because I wouldn't be today a sous chef if I was in a big company, but because I'm in a small company today, just after my apprenticeship I got the sous chef job. I've benefited a lot because this apprenticeship has allowed me to earn qualifications and experience from the workplace. So, and also it allowed me to learn and earn, which is quite good. Apprenticeship is a good way to learn, because you are going to college for your qualification and working at a workplace for experience. So for young people, as me, I would say it's the best way to go.
Well, Mark is a huge asset to our business. He's got a very positive attitude. He's hard-working, he's loyal, he's trustworthy, and I don't think we could have asked for a better apprentice, really. We recently just promoted him to sous chef, so he's now my sous chef at Love Food, which I was absolutely over the moon about. For an achievement like that within a short period of time, I think it's absolutely phenomenal.
And my main duties at KidsConnect, it's a very broad thing I could be doing, because I work for a small charity project, so I could be doing the day-to-day things like answering the phone, planning, or I could be in delivering sessions for all young people aged 8 to 19 in the Greater Western area. And my apprenticeship as a whole has helped me as a more confident person now. Through my apprenticeship I've gained as a person, and also through my creative side and my musical side I've been able to bring new ideas to the project. I've always wanted to work with young people as far as I can remember, and an apprenticeship with the Council of Youth Workers seemed the best thing for me to do. I would definitely recommend an apprenticeship for anyone. The relationships I've gained with them, it'll be with me forever.
I was involved with Paddy right from day one. We organised all the events in the beginning to recruit him, so I'm now his manager with KidsConnect. Where do I start? Paddy has a lot of brilliant attributes. He wasn't as confident, he's now confident, he excels at everything he does, he's passionate, he's caring, and he gives 100% to everything that he always does, and he's very, very funny. He has changed massively in the 2 years that we've worked with him. His confidence is massive, the relationship with young people is amazing, he's got an amazing rapport.